My adventurers, today I'm making for you a very common Jamaican dish, and we call it Solomon Gunde. It's made with red herrings. As you can see, some of the herring have some very small bones in it. But when you crush them up, you really don't notice those little bones because it's gonna be crushed. I took out some of them, but what I couldn't take out, I left it there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna boil it a little bit, wash them, boil them, just for a short bit to get rid of some of the salt. And then once you boil it, now you're gonna break them up in pieces, and we're gonna put them in there. We're gonna crush them. So you got to have some seasoning with it. So I cut up onions, scallion, garlic, thyme. I don't remember if I put garlic, but you got to have a Scotch bonnet pepper, and there's the yellow Scotch bonnet pepper I grow in the backyard myself. Onion, pepper, thyme, pimento, so black pepper, and some vinegar, and whatever other seasoning you want to put on it for yourself. So I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend it out. Blend out the seasoning first. I generally blend this seasoning first, then add the red herring. Once the seasoning is all blended, then I add break up the herring and add it to it, because I want the seasoning to be blended out. I don't want big pieces of seasoning, But I just like, pulse it a few times. Just a few pulse, maybe 6 pulse or 5 pulse, because I don't want it too fine. You want it to have pieces. And that's it. That is it. Then I'm going to put it in a container, and then we have it. One of the reasons it can last so long is because of the vinegar, and of course, there's still salt in it. So the vinegar and salt cure it so it can last for a longer time. So you can just put it in a bottle and put it in the fridge. So I'm going to take a little bite and see how it tastes. You can eat this with crackers, bread. Man, you could even boil banana and dumpling and eat it with this. Anything you want to eat it with. It's up to you. But most Jamaicans eat it with crackers. And I could have put more pepper, because that pepper wasn't hot at all. I mean, I like it very hot, so maybe other people wouldn't eat it. So, I want it less hot, but I like it hot. Anyway, tastes good with all the seasoning, and it tastes better after a couple of days. But try this. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And please like the video. Thank you.